Hi guys, I'm Enchanted Moon, and welcome to my unboxing of the Goddess Provisions. Believe it or not, it's early. I mean, it's still January, so today's January 31st, and tomorrow's the 1st, so it's a nice surprise to get this a day early. Um, so let's see. This is February's box, so let's see what's in store for February. Sometimes these boxes, they come this size, small, and sometimes they come a little bigger. So I think this is the second month in a row it's a smaller box. So let's see what, oh, wrong way. So it opens this way and see what we have inside. This is what it looks like. And let's see. Okay. So the first thing I see in the box, it says Amethyst Charged Butterfly Lavender Bath Soak. And then it's in this envelope. And this is the back. It's in this envelope, I suppose. The next thing in the box, oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. It is this. It is moon phases that you can see that on top and with lavender mountains. The back says amethyst crystals provide calm, tranquility, and peace and bestow stability and strength. They are excellent for meditation and cleansing the aura. But you cannot see how beautiful the bracelet is. I mean, look at that. Moon phases. Amethyst for the full moon. That is stunning. That is absolutely gorgeous. I'm in love. Okay, box is worth it already. And then we have this. I'm not sure what this is, but it's very pretty. It's very spring-like, actually. It says dry bag. I'm not sure what that means, so let's see what a dry bag is. Okay. Well, it is gorgeous. It is, like I said, it's pretty lilacs and blues. It's got crystals on it. It's really pretty. Rose quartz. Let me see this one. It's like a vinyl, and the bottom's got a grape, and then it's got this on here. Velcro. It's very long, and it says dry bag. And it says use. Fill the bag up to 3/4 of the way full. Remove excess air from the bag. To close, fold top down 3 times and secure with buckle. Hold the bag horizontally when open to keep moisture from leaking. I don't know what this is for. Honestly, I don't know what a dry bag is. It does open like that. It has it's very pretty. I guess we'll find out at the end what it's for. And there's still more goodies. We have Goddess Provisions from Band of Weirdos Amethyst Enamel Pin. Inner peace, recovery, and balance. Look how cute that is. Really, really cute. Couple more items. Okay. I see this. I'm going to grab this first. I don't know if you guys can. It looks like a crystal with the pyramid and the eye. And yeah, it is. It's an amethyst, and I believe that's the bottom of the triangle. got a pyramid of amethyst, and the bottom has that. Pretty cool. Love it. And then I see this. I don't know what it is, but it looks pretty cool. Wow. Nail polish. We never got that before. Love by Luna Mystic Manny. Crystal infused nail polish. And the color is gorgeous. Look at that purple. It is beautiful. And that's the bottle. Really cute. Loving it. And we have Tap Into Your Psychic Powers stick tabs. I don't know. There's some kind of stickers. Custom design your own. We got the hands with the eye and the crystal ball. You can stick on any fabric surface, peel off before washing. Do not apply to leather, rubber, foil, or print. It says peel off before washing. That makes no sense. So it's just temporary, maybe? And that is it. And then we have the card, which is really, really cool. And of course, it lists what's in the box. So let's go over that. Amethyst Aura is the theme of the month. And first thing they have is this absolutely gorgeous bracelet in there. And they're saying the value is $68. It's, I can't pronounce it, Hitachi Hachuchi Jewels Moon Phase Cuff Bracelet. Connect with the intuitive wisdom of Amethyst and La Luna. Wear this bracelet with amethyst jump at the full moon, enhance negative receptivity, patience, and trust. I'm just trying to kind of wonder what kind of metal it is. Best care. It's silver-plated brass bracelet. So I wouldn't get it wet, so you don't get it ruined. But this is absolutely beautiful. And $68 value, I can see that. And then, the next thing on here is the Wild Wonder Bonticles Bath Soak, value of $5. Okay, this is the thing I don't understand. This, the Goddess Provisions, Crystals, and Succulents Dry Bag. It says, whether venturing to the beach, river, lake, or pool, under misty skies, relax knowing your handheld valuables are protected against water in this adorable 2L dry bag, value $22. Now I understand. So it keeps all your stuff dry when going to the beach or any place like that where you don't want things to get wet. And then I guess you fold it down and then you buckle it, and then it keeps your product safe. Very cool. Like it. Value is $22. Then we got the Stick Tack fabric stickers, which is a value of $6. Jazz up your jacket, backpack, laptop, mystical designs, and declare your divine gifts and psychic powers. Easy to remove and reusable. So they are reusable. Pretty cool. Then this beautiful nail polish, Love by Luna. Nail polish infused by crystals. So that is really cool. Then the Band of Weirdos Amethyst Pin, value of $10. Then this cute Inner Gaze Amethyst Pyramid. Meditate with this crystal with your third eye to purify your aura, promotes mental clarity, a value of $11. And All About Amethyst and Uses and Rituals is a digital bonus that you can get online. Value of $6. And they're showing you also in here, they're having, I trust my intuition guide to me. is a Sacred Self-Care Oracle and Guidebook, which is coming out. I will have these in my shop as well for sale. I'm hoping the deck I think they redid it, so it should be pretty cool. And then, of course, the back, they just have a little information about other stuff they offer, the website, their monthly giveaways, and all that good stuff. So, Goddess Provisions box for February is a winner in my book. I love it. I'll leave the information, like always, guys, on the bottom for you. Price, all that kind of stuff. And until next time, see you later. Bye.